All right, guys, I've seen a lot of these online and I wanted to try one of these out. This is an electric grill brush. I did just clean my grill the other day. You saw a video I made of that, but I have grilled a few times since then. So there is a little bit of, just stuff on here. So we're gonna use this and try to clean my grill. A couple things just wanna point out before we jump on it. You have the little grill scraper you can use right there. So you can scrape, some hard stuff away. And then you have, again, you can see the brush right there. So a really cool option for the brush. You can tighten it down right here with this. So again, this is the little locking mechanism. And then this is kind of your guide where you want to be, and it just kind of holds it back. A couple buttons right here on the back. You have just the power button. Then you also have a light. So it has a cool little light in there. As you can see, mine is pretty dark. So if you need a light like I'm going to be using, you can use that light in there and you're able to see what you're doing. And then it also has a charging port right here on the back. So let's go ahead and try it out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I wanted you to hear that it's not super loud. Also, just a couple first thoughts on this. It is pretty strong for how small it is. I really didn't think it was going to be that strong. But you can see right here, just pushing it down, it will get going. And it'll really pull you along, which is nice. It is recommended that you just go with like a push motion. If you try to pull it, I feel like it does kind of mess it up a little bit, but the push motion is just super smooth. I definitely think this is great for anyone that doesn't want to scrape your grill. And honestly, I'm doing it a bunch right here just to kind of get the feel for it and try it out. But really, just a couple pushes on this and it pretty much cleaned out the entire area that I had a little bit of grime on there. So I definitely think this could be used, every few weeks if you grill in here often, and all you have to do is just let it run a little bit and it's going to do a good job. I do like this scraper on the other side if you do need that, but I didn't need it for mine, and the light actually is helpful because it is pretty dark under there as well. So just using it is super easy to use, and it's also very lightweight as well. And here's what it actually looked like when it was done. You can see it cleaned off those grill grates very well. This is a great option, and again, it did a great job just on a few minutes of using that for like 2 to 3 minutes. So I think you could definitely do something like this every couple weeks. FYI, this was sent to me to review. So guys, I feel like this worked surprisingly well. This did a really good job, cleaned everything off, I think extremely well. And so you could see the item right here. You have a lot of just, gunk and debris and stuff like that from your grill. All of the, again, the bristles are now black. So one of the things you will do once you're done with this is you actually loosen this up. So you'll loosen this. This piece will come off. Piece will come off right here. Then you're able to grab it like this, slide it right off, and you can wash this off. Just use it in the sink, wash it off. Or if you'd rather use it in the hose outside, you could do that. Or you can even put it in your dishwasher as well. So really a lot of great options for that one. But overall, I think this is a really cool option. It's a great way to get your grill clean, and you don't have to like scrub or any kind of thing like that. Gets it clean. I even like that it has a little protector down here, so you're not going to get, soot and stuff everywhere. So it's a great little device. I'm not a huge fan of the small little bristles. You guys know that from my other videos, but I do like overall, this is a great option. I would definitely recommend it. It got my grill really clean, and it does a great job. It does not take long. Really can smoke that thing really quickly. So great option for that. Really cool. I don't know about longevity. I haven't used it for a long time, but I think just for the little time I've used it, it works well. I like that you have the scraper as well. If you have something heavy duty you want to get, you can use that. Also rechargeable. That's super great. You don't have to do anything, and you can take this off, wash it, clean it off, and you're ready to go again. So overall, I think it's a great option. Highly recommend you check this out. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Also, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.